Hi, this is Maria with Brown Innovations. We're at InfoComm 2026 in the forecast booth where we're showing off some directional audio technology. Our booth number is 7115 in the North Hall if you get a chance to make it by today. And I'm going to show you how we can contain audio in public environments. One of our speakers here is a 48-inch wide bar speaker that can create a zone 4 feet wide and about 15 feet forward. And I'm going to walk in and out of this audio zone to show you how clearly and cleanly we can cut sound. So here I go. And now I'm back out of the zone, and as you can hear, we had audio when we were in front of the speaker, and now we're on either side of the speaker, and there's no audio. This is great for digital signage, video walls, wayfinding, anywhere where you have a public environment and you have audio, but you don't want it to disturb surrounding environments. So if you have any questions or a project coming up, please reach out at browninnovations.com.